Modern Beauties, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to share with you some tips and tricks when you're using what we call the Flawless 4. And the Flawless 4 is your Glorious Face and Eye Primer, your Touch Liquid Foundation, your Liquid Foundation Brush, and your Skin Perfecting Concealer. Okay, you're always going to want to start off with your Glorious Face and Eye Primer. It's a must-have if you wear any type of foundation, whether it's pressed powder, whether it's BB cream, whether it's cream foundation or liquid foundation. Okay, and you're only going to need a pea-sized drop, just very little. What it does is it diminishes your fine lines and wrinkles. It makes your pores appear smaller, and it creates a canvas for your makeup, and it's super smooth. It moisturizes your skin, and it also creates a barrier between your skin and your makeup to where you don't get any of those clogged pores. And best of all is that it actually helps you use less makeup than what you would without it. And so that means your makeup lasts longer, you're going to save more money, and everybody's happy, right? Alright, let's move on to the liquid foundation. Anytime that you go to use a liquid foundation, it's very important that you shake it really well. But you also need to squeeze the dropper to make sure you get all of the product out of the dropper. Okay, I'll even take it out, and then I'll, whoa, I did not do that very well. Yay! And then I'm going to shake it. Okay, this is really going to help with the consistency of your liquid foundation. Whatever liquid foundation you use anyway, you should be shaking it to get it to where it's smooth and even, and you get all of the stuff in your product. Okay, once you do that, then you're going to take it on your brush. If you notice in the liquid foundation brush, I don't know if you can tell here, but there's an indent in the middle. You do not want to put any product in there. Okay, it's not going to help you at all. You just want to put it around. Now, each person is going to need a different amount of drops. Okay, it all depends on how much coverage you want, your skin type, and all of that. I end up using between 6 and 7 drops every time I use the liquid foundation. See, like that. Okay, now if you go to put foundation on and you notice that as you're blending it in that it's not enough, add some more to your brush to give you that coverage. Okay, and so then you just blend it in circular motion. Okay, because you don't want, because if you move any other way, it's actually going to show more of your imperfections. But just in a circular motion, like so. And see, look. Whenever you do it in the circular motion, you're going to get more of a flawless finish. So I'm happy with the way it looks right now. I mean, I could actually add a little bit more to diminish more of my dark spots, but I'm not going to. Okay, because I'm also going to be using blush and bronzer and stuff whenever I do my makeup. So that is with the foundation. Okay, whenever you're using the Skin Perfecting Concealer, you can use your fingers. You can use a brush like I've used. We have a concealer brush. I've used a concealer brush. I've used this old foundation brush. But I have been, excuse me, I've been finding lately that it's better to use a blending bud. I don't get the creases in my my concealer whenever I use a blending bud. Okay, and so I start off with it, excuse me, with it on my finger, like so, and then I put it in a V. This is going to help make your eyes appear more open You're going to look more awake. Okay. So you want to put it in the best V that you can. I'm not the greatest V person. Okay, and then now I'm going to actually blend it in with my blending bud. Now my blending bud, what you're supposed to do with those is you're supposed to get it wet and then wring out the excess. Okay, and what that does is that's going to help blend in the product, help smooth out the product to where you're going to get this flawless finish. And so I just blend, blend, blend using the blending bud. And I think I'm going to, no, I think that's okay. And then I'll probably, and I like to kind of just blend it out even more with my fingers. And so that's how you use the Flawless 4. And I think I need to add a little bit more. But let me do this. This eye is even more, my circles are darker under this eye today. So there you go. That's how you use the Flawless 4 bundle. I hope you enjoy my tips or tricks. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Have a blessed day.